Hey guys, what's going on? It's Amy again with Bargain Mama, and yes, I have another haul for you, but I have restrained myself a little bit and reminded myself every time I go to grab something, Amy, you have to put that away. So most of the stuff will be leaving my house after I haul it, either hopefully in my craft show or I'll be giving it away as gifts. So, little health update just real quick. I'm doing amazing. Right now, we don't know if it's just because the treatments that I got are like a band-aid over it, or if my body is accepting it. We are very excited. We will find out the Monday after Thanksgiving, so I'm ecstatic about that. If that does not work out, unfortunately, we will be heading to the Mayo Clinic in Phoenix, which is about 2.5 hours away from my house. But I know it's all going to work out. I'm doing amazing. The only thing is that I am tired all the time. But let's be honest, I'm always tired. So it doesn't matter. I work 2 jobs. I have 3 kids. I have a husband. I have 3 dogs. I love my YouTube channel and I love shopping. So I'm exhausted. I mean, that exhausted me to say all of it. So anyways, so I'm feeling great. And also I wanted to tell you guys that you have to go see my Hobby Lobby video because I got the cutest little mini mugs that I'm going to put toppers on, and they're amazingly cute, and they were like $1.50 and $2. So you have to go look at that. But with that being said, guys, I think we are ready for this Dollar Tree haul. So this Dollar Tree haul is going to be filled with kind of a lot of ideas that I have for DIYs. And so if you watched my red truck bathroom DIY, you're gonna already have heard this. But what I was telling them is that, I watch all these other people. I love them, like Glue Guns and Roses. I love her. But or like Bargain Bethany. I mean, yeah, like awesome. I love their DIYs. But sometimes I'm like, girl, you must not have a full-time job because I do not know how you do this stuff. So I was just saying in my video, I said that this is like when I show like DIYs, these are something that you guys can do even if you have a job. Like you do not have to be a stay-at-home mom or a stay-at-home wife or a stay-at-home grandma or a stay-at-home anything to be able to do these. These are things that like I literally come in, work on a little bit in the evening and go. Like that's it. So I never do hard ones because A, I can't wrap my head around that. No way. And B, I don't have the time. So these are why I'm just showing you these quick ones. I'll do them in a DIY possibly. But, and then if you are a crafter, like I can bam, bam, bam. I can shove out some DIYs if I'm not recording. If I'm recording, it's like a 3-day long process for me to do one. And I'm like, oh my gosh, like, am I doing something wrong here? Like, what is happening? Anyways, so that's why I've been doing DIYs, but not recording them, but some I'm going to start recording again. Let's get started. So I picked up these dice. Who cares, right? But look what I did. So this is my first time ever doing these. So I did these. I haven't finished them, obviously, because they don't got no faces, but I painted these. So they were these. And so I'm going to show the DIY because I was like, okay, I'm going to start doing them first. And then if they turn out, then I'll do the video. So I did this. These are the little sparkles or the little like filling stuff from the Dollar Tree, and so I just put those on top like little sprinkles on the marshmallows. So I'm gonna make more in a DIY. Love it. So we have a fire pit in our backyard, and I swear to you, the smoke that comes out of there when my husband is trying to start these is insane. And then he runs around the house trying to find something to start, like little stuff to start on fire underneath it, and I'm afraid one day he's gonna head into my craft room and start using that to start the fire, So I picked these up. I've seen them a million times. I've seen other people haul them. I never picked them up because we don't go camping, I'm sorry. And I know you could use them in case of an emergency, but it is an emergency because I think my husband's going to start using my craft stuff to start the fire outside. So I got these for him. And they are just the quick survive fire starters, lights any fire fast, charcoal, barbecue grill, fireplace, fire pit, wood burning stove, survival, burns for up to 10 minutes at over 750 degrees. Excuse me, it has 3 fire starters. It says 30 years shelf life, 100% waterproof, and food safe. So when I first read it, I was like, why food safe? Who's going to eat them? But then I was like, oh wait, this is in the fire under your food, but not ours. So let's look. So I watch how did I, triple G's. Oh my gosh, Amy. And so she used these training pads underneath her crafting space. And so these are just, 4 training pads, heavy duty and super absorbent, 22 inches by 22 inches, whatever. But you guys, my kitchen table and my husband are going to love me for buying these because, I used to say, oh, I'm going to craft out here, but it's too hot. I can't. Well, now it's too cold sometimes. And so I've been crafting a lot inside, and my husband has been noticing there might be a little bit of something on our brand new table. And so I picked these up to kind of hopefully help us both out. Yeah. So I got those. All right, guys, I did pick up several of these little things, and they are just the little spatula sets. I am also going to be doing a gift basket with them. And so me and Amy from Bella's Bargains are going to be doing gift baskets again, like a collab, and we will be putting that up on Tuesday. So you will probably see this after that is what I'm guessing, just because I have videos in line in front of it. So I don't know, but if it's up, go look at it, because let me tell you, one of them I'm so extremely proud of. Like, it is an amazing idea. So anyways, I picked up several of these for my little craft fair, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with them on that video on Tuesday. I did pick this up. I have been looking all over for it. I did find some at the 99-cent store before, and I hauled it. But when I saw this, I was like, no, I still need it. So this is just 3 yards of the white pom-pom trim by Crafter's Square. I don't know what I'm going to do. I was thinking you could even just cut these little things off, and they could be like little mini snowballs. So I might do that. It feels really, like, this could definitely be a good sensory thing. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do, I think. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I needed it. Please don't break. Okay, what's in this bag? Let's look. Oh, another one. Apparently I needed more than one. So there's that one. Again, how cute are these? Just cut them off and make them little mini snowballs. So cute. And then obviously I needed the green also. So this is also 3 yards. Very, very cute. Not sure what I'm going to do with it, but it's cute. And then I did pick up, okay, let me show you what I did here. I picked up these, and these are just the little plastic containers. And this one right here says comfy, cozy at Christmas, right? I've seen a lot of people. Let me see another one. I'm going to show you the other thing because, okay. So, well, that's great. It all just fell. And I feel like if I go to grab it, hold on, I have to move the chair back, because if I stand up to grab what just fell over, you guys are going to see my butt. And nobody wants to see that. Okay, so let me show you. I'm a hot mess today. If you watch the other video where I'm wearing this, I'm just as much of a hot mess. So I've been watching on a lot of the Dollar Tree channels where they're taking this, okay, and this is one of the bigger cookie containers, and they're painting it like black or whatever, and making it look like a hat, and this is like the brim of the hat, right? And I was like, oh, that's a really cute idea, because they're painting this too. I was like, I would love to do that as a cookie jar, right? Like, make it like a cookie platter. So I bought it, had all these ideas, and then I was like, Amy, you cannot use this as a cookie platter after you put spray paint on it. That is toxic. Like, you're going to kill people. And so I was like, oh man. So I still thought this was a good idea, and I wanted to do a DIY, because then, I mean, they're not spray painting the inside of this. So like I said, like, it's a cookie container, which is cute. It looks like a little hat and stuff, and they're very cute. But I was like, I kind of wanted it for like a cookie, like for like a display kind of thing for a cookie platter. So then I was like, well, what can I do? So I got these glass plates from the Dollar Tree, okay? And let me see if I can get this open. I have scissors here. I am prepared like no other right now. Okay, so let me show you what I'm going to do. So I got these little things from the Dollar Tree, and they're a little cookie, cookie, whatever you want, right? So I'm going to Mod Podge on the bottom of here some kind of fabric or some kind of tissue paper or something, so that whatever design shows through, but the top is still food safe. So I can still put my cookies here, and I'm going to like E6000 or something this into the center. And you guys, and now we have like, so you could put like little, so you don't, in my opinion, you do not want to put like dip or something in here directly, because it's going to be glued here, right? Because it's all going to be like one platter. So you're not gonna be able to wash that. That's gonna be gross. Like, you can wipe it out. So my theory was like, what if you put like a little, like some kind of a smaller little bowl. You could put like, you could just do cookies all the way around and cookies in here, and that would make for like a beautiful platter if you had this like done up. Or you could put like fruit around here and put a fruit dip in here, but like put another cup or put saran wrap in there first so that it would just be a wipeout when you're done. But how cute would that be? So this is Have Yourself a Cozy Christmas or Comfy Christmas, and it has hot cocoa mugs. You could literally even just put like a bunch of like hot cocoa stuff right here on the sides, like some chocolates, some all this stuff, and then put hot cocoa packets here in the center. And again, remember, this is going to be glued down, and this is going to have like hot cocoa decorations on the bottom, and you just like make this like your hot cocoa bar. I don't know. So that's what I really want to do. So I'll show you that when I do it. So that's what I'm excited about. And I'm excited that I got that idea before I did it, and then might have, you know, killed people. I don't know. Not my intention. So let's see what's in here. Oh, my good old friendly Oh Snap Pickling Company, 3.25 fluid ounces. I eat those every day. These are the Energy Blend, 2.75 ounces, roasted peanuts, roasted sesame sticks, almonds, walnuts, pecans, 160 calories. My son loves these, loves them, my 16-year-old. So I pick them up quite often. So I picked up 2 more of those. He loves them. Keep going, keep going. So, you guys, tell me how cute these are. They're plastic, but how cute are they? Oh, I only need to show you one. The other one looks identical, I promise. Look at this little deer. Like, can you see him with his little antlers coming up the cup? It is plastic, but that is so flipping cute. Like, I just think that is the cutest thing. If you have someone in your family who loves to hunt or something, like, how cute is that? That is just, like, down here, I don't know, like, here he is, his antlers come all the way up. It's like a cup. I don't know if it says how many ounces. It's called a goblet, but that is so cute. That is so cute. So I got that. I was so excited. I had been looking everywhere for these, and little did I know that they were plastic. So I only got one. I got some other stuff, and I'm going to do those little outside light post things, but I thought these were glass. So I did only pick up one because I wasn't a big fan of the plastic. So we'll see. I'm still going to make one and see how it goes with the plastic. But yeah, so if you have seen those on like Facebook and Pinterest, they just go on top of like the candle holders or whatever you want. And yeah, you put a LED light in here, decorate this, and it looks like an outside lantern. So I got that. But again, I was very disappointed when I saw it was plastic. I thought they were glass. Let me know if they were glass before, because I think they were. So I just told you guys it's Joanne Brad. I don't know. I can't remember, but might have been in the last video. Is it Jerry Ann Bradley, Joanne Bradley? I'll have to remember. But I love her channel. She is just so like, I mean, she's so calming, and she's just so beautiful when she's doing her DIYs, okay? Like, and her son videos it. I just love it. And her last one, she was doing faux cupcake toppers. And I love to watch them because I always want different ways to decorate them. And you all, she used, so I got this to use all of the stuff, like whatever, but she used these ones right here, and she put little, just like toothpicks in the bottom and kind of broke it off and then shoved it into the top of her cupcake and other decorations. And it was so cute. So I got these so that I could just put some of these on top of my little faux cupcakes. Again, you will see what cups I'm talking about if you look at my Hobby Lobby one, because I got the cutest little mini 2-inch cups. So cute. All right, I found 2 of these, and I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but I think they're cute. Let me show you guys what I did with one of them already. So hold on one second. So I had bought 2 a while ago, and they are the candy dishes. This is my craft table, as you guys are shaking. And I don't know, like this is what I did with one of them. I have like all my different glue sticks in here. So they're the big ones, the small ones, like the colored ones, all that stuff. So that's what I have in one of them. My other one has like just the stuff that I use like quite often, like just some pens and scissors and stuff. So those I use like in my craft room. So I did pick up 2 more because there's room for 2 more on that shelf. So I think I'm just going to use them again in my craft room. So I did, these are the larger ones too. Doesn't say, but yeah. So I picked up 2 more of them because I thought I needed them, just like I think I need everything. And And I did pick up more because I was like, oh, I need them. I don't know if I do. But these are, again, the snowballs. So these, the 2 inches have 8 pieces and the 3 inches have 3 pieces. And I was thinking, like, do you know, if you wanted to, so you could just like take a Sharpie or whatever, you paint marker, whatever you want, and just like make little faces on there. And you could actually get like the needle and thread from the Dollar Tree. And you could just like right at the top, like sew in like a little string or something. And you could just use them as little decorations. I still think that's cute. Like just using them as a little decoration. I think it's so cute. And then there was something else that I wanted to show you that I was going to use them for, but it's probably in the bottom. I'm sure it's in the bottom of this. So we're just going to keep going. Okay, yeah, we'll just keep going. We're at 15 minutes. So let me just find that one thing that I really wanted to show you guys. And then I think that I'm going to have to do another video because if my son calls me one more time and tries to cut off this video, ooh. So I got the smaller ones again. Yes, I got them all. But these are the Snowball Decor, and these ones are the 15, and they're 1.5 inches. But you guys, I found these at the Dollar Tree, so I got 2 packages. These are 3 pieces. They were not in the wedding section because I have hauled the ones from the wedding section that are white. These are 3 of the metal buckets, the mini metal buckets. So if you are going for like a farmhouse kind of theme, you know, they have that red and black ribbon that goes around these. That's not going to be it. I mean, you could make it a little snowman. You could do whatever you wanted, but like, just put like that or a bunch of the smaller ones. You could put you could cut these and put them in here or whatever. And again, you could do the white and you could do like the little metal galvanized buckets that say like snowballs 10 cents. These could be used for like spring. These could be used for so many different little things. Like it's just the little mini bucket that's just like the white ones, except for they're not white, they're metal. So I thought they were so cute. Anyways, guys, I gotta go see what my child wants because it seems to be an emergency. So I hope that you're all having an amazing day. And don't forget, if you want to see what I did with these, go ahead and look at my Tuesday video that I did the gift baskets in because I love that idea. And if you want to see the mugs that I got, the little mini 2-inch ones that were so cheap from Hobby Lobby, watch my Hobby Lobby video. So with that being said, guys, I hope that you have a great day, and this will maybe up after Thanksgiving. So I hope you either had an amazing and blessed Thanksgiving, or I hope that you do have an amazing and blessed Thanksgiving. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.